What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to play our daily Wordle game. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Today's Wordle, 5th February 2022. Let's get straight into the video. If this is your first time, you click here, it will take you through the guidelines, and you can watch my previous videos to get the guidelines on how to play this Wordle game. So let's just get straight into the game. So today, what word I'm going to start with? Let's see. Let's start with brave. Click enter. Ow. So the turn is that the letters that are in gray, yeah, it's not in the word, but the letter that is in yellow is in the word but not in the right spot. So let's try another word. Let's do this. Let's see. Okay. Let's hope this third try will get a word. Press enter. Ow. We got a wrong word. It means there's F in the word, but it's not in the right spot. Okay, let's try the fourth one. Bingo. We're able to get the word in the fourth try. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.